You have a HDD or SSD disk and you need to connect it to laptop. You can buy some adapters. So here are AliExpress, where you can find 2.5, 3.5 USB to SATA 3 adapter. So I buy both adapter and test it. So here's my adapter which I bought. So this is Europe. So when you connect to SSD disk, you just connect this SATA adapter. When you connect to HDD, you need to additionally connect power block. So that's the difference. I have a problem. So when ejecting device, you get this is problem ejecting USB attached inside my storage device. So despite I try to eject disk, SSD or HDD, no matter, I get this message in Windows. In Ubuntu it ejected, but power lamp still light, so it won't stop when you try eject. So I ask for discount, because this is not very big bug. Eject it after shutdown.